Good morning, everyone. 7 minutes to open, to market open, and we are excited to get started. As you can see here, I have on my hat, have some fun today. That's my goal for the day, have some fun. Yesterday was our first day of trading ever in my demo account, so today is my second day, and I'm excited about it. See what we can make. So yesterday we went up $600 after risking 220. 1 to 3. I'm happy about it, and today we are getting to understand what's going on. So let's start ahead and plan our training day. I have my own small notebook. Yeah, in terms of time, now I'm going to mark key levels, 5 minutes touch key level, find opportunity with base of structure, a break of structure, and then or inverse fair value gap. Then wait for confirmation, 1 minute confirmation, enter, and then plan stop losses. I'm super excited to see what's going on, and again, I want to say thank you for everyone who watched. I know it's like not a lot of people, but I'm excited about it, and it's still something that makes me feel good, because I'm doing it to learn, and I'm doing it to get better, I'm doing it to improve in my trading skills, because I genuinely want to be better as a person and as a human being. So we'll start, and we'll see what's going on. So we'll start this and mark this as long as a 4-hour low. This will be here. I'll mark it specifically as London low because I hate all of the small things here. Great. So yesterday, last night we got to London low. Here we had a Asia high. It's here and here. So let's mark both of them. Let's mark this one. 4 hours high, but we'll take it here. We have the magnet with us. Yeah, that's what we have here today. This, we didn't swipe these yesterday, and that was my daily bias. That was my assuming yesterday. That's what I thought we'll do, but we haven't, and that's fine. Today we have some liquidity that we can grab from here, like low resistant liquidity that we can grab. So I do believe that the daily bias today is uptrend, but we'll see how the graph reacts, you know. And we might grab a great growth here depending on how the day starts. So we have the key levels marked up. We have London high here. Let's mark it as London high. London high. That we might even, I think maybe we're even able to do something with it. So London high, Asia low. Let's mark this as this. Sorry. Here, Asia low. Everything is, yeah, we're saying everything is like good here, right? Great. So this is what we're working on, and oh damn, I marked it on the wrong graph. Never mind. Learning. See, every day we learn more. And actually, we can do it on this, and then just like work on the other one. But basically what's going on is that I want to start marking the 1 hour. You know what? Let's just work on trade lock, because that's where we're going to trade. So let's just work on trade lock and take it from there. Yeah, let's just work here. Okay, we said chart view. This is all. This is, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the 4 hours mark, and we're having this. We're having this. We're having this. We haven't collected yet, so this is the 4 hours low. This is where we are right now. Put this as a 4 hours high, another low resistant 4 hours high, and another high resistant 4 hours high. But we'll make it happen. Yeah, so this is the 4 hours. Let's go into the 1 hour and see what's going on. So this is Asia. So this is Asia low. And London starts here. So probably this is London low for now. And London high. If I'm mistaken, correct me in the comments, guys. Feel free. Feel free, I love it. And yeah, we have all the low resistance spot that we already marked here. We have another one in the 4 hours that probably, as far as I think, we're going to hit it at the beginning of our trade. We have this with a bit more like a 4 hours, 1 hour thing. But yeah, we have a lot of liquidity to collect. Honestly, that's like the reason I believe we're going to be bullish today, and even break a whole time high. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. We do have some more, like here, 4 hours low. It's 4 hours low and another 4 hours low. Well, what the fuck is going on with this magnet? Another 4 hours low and another 4 hours low. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We are 1 minute before market open. Let's see. Oh, we have a lot of charts today. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Okay. So market open here. I like to mark it to myself. Market open here. Let's put it as a very. This is market opens here. We have okay, great. So we're like a minute. We have small option to grab liquidity here, but we'll see. And then from here, next liquidity point is here. So we'll see. Yeah, let's see how the market reacts. Go to the 5 minutes mark and then find the key level touch points. We might grab this liquidity, we might grab this liquidity. Here we're all talking about like, this is when the market closed. So market closed here after a huge ramping and then go down. Okay, market open as I thought. Let's see what's going on. Markets are open and we are ready to roll, guys. I'm excited. Also got a haircut, so let me know what you think. Okay, open is bullish. Open is bullish, and we are talking about this 1 minute liquidity points that I think we might grab, and then take it from there. But we'll see, I guess. Yeah, we're waiting for the 5 minutes point, 5 minutes time frame. Again, I'm going to take it easy and like try to be relevant as much as possible. But I do want you to give me feedback, and I do want you to help me improve. Like, it's very, very important to me. Trying to see how can I make the settings better for the camera. Like, I don't know how good you're seeing me. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. Properties. I don't know. I hope you see me well, and if not, we'll see what's going on. Okay. So 1 minute into 1 minute into market open. Let's see what we got. Still taking it relatively easily, as much as possible. Start muting every notification that I have while I'm trading. Super helpful. Because I want silent, and I want nobody to bug me. What I think that will happen, and I will say it now, I think we're going to get to touch this liquidity point in the next 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to have or inverse for a value gap or break of structure to the uptrend. And then doing it yesterday, as you see here, we made $600, 606 exactly. We started with 9,300. Now we are at 99. So it's good. The goal is to double this account. And again, I know I'm very I'm trying, and I think things will be I'm positive, and I'm learning, and I'm spending a lot of time learning. And TJR, if you're seeing this video, if you know TJR, tell him I watched every single video that he has online, and yesterday I started trading, so I definitely want to hear what he's saying, because I'm like the complete, I'm the direct example of someone took it seriously, learned a lot, and trying to implement it. Of course, I make tons of mistakes, and obviously I'm bad at it, but I'm learning, and that's what's important. And that's what makes sense to me, and I believe that he can see also, and I want him to roast me, I want to hear what he says, about the way I put my stop losses, or the way I enter my trades, or the way I think. Yeah, for sure, happy to learn. See this liquidity is. Okay, let's delete this because I do want to see. Let's see what's going on in the 1 minute. This is started. Are we going to get liquidity and drop? Maybe. Maybe. My daily bias is positive, as I told you guys. My daily bias is uptrend. But we'll see, I guess. See trading day. One note for myself is that I need to write everything before market open, honestly. Because I don't want to feel stressed. Daily trade. September 4th. I'm doing only one trade today. Perfect. I'm doing only one trade today. And I know that I'll want to do more, but I'm doing only one trade. Okay, we swept some liquidity, I think. Yeah, we swept some liquidity. We're going to sweep another, but again, I'm feeling like we need some more information before. Yeah, let's see if we're doing the breakup structure here. I believe we do in the 1 minute. Swept this, like I'm pretty sure that we're getting here without any resistance, honestly. All this. Yeah, pretty sure. Pretty sure. In the 3 minutes we haven't done. Oh, okay. Yeah, great. Still need a break of structure. That will be here. Note to self is that I need to learn more about daily bias and how to set it up, because I know that this manipulation, reversal, and now New York will be in continuation. Maybe I'm wrong about it, honestly. Like I don't think I know it that well. What happened? Maybe shrink this a bit so you will see better. Perfect. Interesting. Okay. So this was our start trade. Now I'm gonna finish trading right here. So this is a trade. Yeah, so we're entering into a second break of structure here. We'll see. Let me know also what you want to see, like honestly. It's like very important. what you want to watch, what you want to see. Yeah. Okay. So I believe in the next charge we're breaking. I think in this candle we're breaking structure on the 1 minute. I'm sure about it. And then I will have to find a position to go in. And then we're starting to collect some liquidity. Where this already collected, first, second, third, and then afterwards it's probably a bit higher, but we'll get there. We will get there. Yeah, this is that one next. Then this. I'm telling you, this one is breaking structure. We'll see. We have 22 seconds to prove me wrong. It'll be hilarious if not, but I'm fine. 10 seconds. Come on. Prove me that I'm right. Let's fucking go. Do it. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, I was wrong. Okay. That's fine. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so we are gonna break this structure now. I need a break of structure, fail value gap as a confirmation, and rip it. There's still only 10 minutes. Nobody's in a rush anywhere. All good. I'm still into my daily, guys. At the 15 minutes mark, we are positive. Oh wow. We went down. I just don't believe that this liquidity means something. Like the ones we swiped here. Like, doesn't mean shit, in my opinion. Honestly, it might be very risky, but I do believe that, like, interesting. Okay. Okay. We're keeping the downtrend. Let's wait for a 5-minute value to understand exactly what's going on. I hate doing it on the 1 minute. Let's see. Forex Factory. Today we have Job opening at 10 a.m. 19 minutes. Forecast previous. Actual is greater. Yeah, forecast is good for currency. Cool. Cool. Let's see if I should. I don't think. Yeah. We're good to trade on this one. So there's two options in my opinion. The first one is that we just need to collect this one and then continuation. The second one is that we want to collect all these liquidities. And then maybe continuation. That's like the two options that I'm thinking. But I'm not taking any trade until I like feel more confident about it, you know. Market closed here. Remember when I told you that we'll hit this? So we hit it at the end of the exactly at the end of the trade. Yeah, we definitely had a liquidity sweep and then boom, like a huge order block. I ran from here to here, touched it, boom. Are we going to have a 5-minute break of structure, or we're just playing? On the 1 minute, we're downtrend. Like nothing crazy, but a downtrend. 5 minute from an hour ago, we're still uptrending. Okay, I want to have this fair value gap, so please stay. And then we can see what's going on. But we chill. If we don't find a position, we're not going in. It's that simple. Like, nothing is rushing us. We're not. It's not about being rich. It's about being right. And that's what I love about it. Like, I love money, but I love being right. So that's why I feel like trading is for me. Okay, on the 1 minute, we have a small fair value gap here. That might be inversed, so might have inverse fair value gap. Maybe. We'll see. It's a tiny one, so we'll see. If we're having inverse fair value gap and then fair value gap as a continuation, I'm kind of sold of changing my daily value. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. We're breaking everything. See if we break this. Swiped. Honestly, exactly swiped, but we have here as well. So we're having the 5 minutes. Didn't touch any key level though yet. I made a mess. Note for tomorrow is organize my key level better. Fair value gap here. This one was inversed. Swiped some liquidity. What is going on? Maybe we don't need to trade today. We'll see. It's having hard time breaking of structure in the 1 minute. Very hard time. Struggling. Poor little baby. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Maybe that's the one. Maybe they just needed to hit this liquidity, as I said in the beginning. And now we're starting to climb. Let's see. See if it's closes above the break of structure. See it on 5 minutes. We definitely broke structure. Needs something to wake it up. Probably the reports will wake it up at 10 a.m. Oh, sorry. Yeah, well, I'm getting convinced that we are changing the daily bias and going into downtrend. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, well, I think we're going to collect some goodies. I have the reports here on the side. See what's going on. I have 2.5 minutes until we're seeing the reports. I have another fair value gap, tiny here, but it's still one. It's still fair value gap, so we're marking it. Yeah, by now I'm pretty sure that we're going to collect some nice stuff. So now let's start planning our trade. Okay, so I'm going to move to the calculator. To my trading. Great, so I want to go in here. I'm going to go in here, so I'll do a short position. So I want to go here. I'll go a bit up, got a bit higher of that. Stop loss, I'll give some room to breathe. And then might be here-ish with a couple of breakpoints in the middle. Yeah, unfortunately now. I feel like it's a good time to sell. So yeah, let's put a sell. The risk, USD, calculated lot size, stop loss peeps. We're talking about 467. 467, account balance 2%. Contract size 500. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know. Few details. 100. Make this average 0.428. Perfect. Yeah, I'm kind of selling. My stop loss will be here 6436. Yeah, that works. Let's do it 220. Okay, we're in, as you all can see. Let's put a take profit as well. Truthfully, I'm not worried, but let's learn. Interesting. I might be out. Yeah, I'm out. I lost. Okay, we lost 220 bucks. Let's see what's going on. I said I will do only one trade today, so I might lose it and close it for the day, but I want to keep seeing what's going on. Keep watching. Interesting. Okay. Exactly where I thought it would be. Like, exactly where my stop loss was. We are 220, 250. Wow. I wonder why. Have here fair value gap, and break of structure. Are we going to collect? My daily bias was positive, uptrend. I don't know what happened, honestly. Oh wait, this is the reports. Yeah, the reports went well. Oh, went bad, so it's good for the currency. Yeah, it's good for us. I think so. Note to self: do not go on trade the minute of reports. It's awesome learning, guys. That's great learning. Damn. We got in a really bad timing. Because again, I thought it will swipe these and these, but honestly, bad trade. Okay, another thing that I learned is do not plan trades on the 1 minute mark. Should wait for 5. Wait, what? No, what? What happened? Why am I in 2 trades? That's crazy. I don't know what happened here, honestly. I genuinely don't know what happened here. But I'm in 2 trades and I'm not going to close. What's going on? Damn, I risk too much. Well, I have 2 trades right now. I don't know why. I'm probably going to make monies, but still. I don't know what happened, how it happened though. That's a note to self on risk management. Today I failed. Doesn't matter if I'm making money, today I failed on risk management. I went into 2 trades without even noticing. I'm probably going to lose a lot of money today, honestly. But I went to 2 trades without even noticing. So that's the first bad thing about risk management. I don't know how it happened, but it did. So 2 trades. One of them doesn't even have, like, I don't know what happened here, honestly. I'm a noob. But I guess that's what we pay. Yeah, I'm gonna get a massive hit right now. I think I just click buy twice or something. Luckily I have this video, so I'll check it out, but it's crazy. Crazy. I have to collect this. So maybe I'll put partial here. Yeah, today fail in risk management. Fail, complete fail. But there is nothing I can do about it right now. I'm already in. And I lost 257 and I might lose another. Yeah, complete failure. But luckily we're on demo and we're learning this shit together, so give me a break of structure here on the 1 minute mark. What's going on in the 5? Yeah, this today's honestly it's not a day for me to trade. It's not a day for trading for me. I'm going to close this one. No, this one has take profit set up. I'm going to close it here just to like reduce losses. And the other one, the upper one, I'm going to put take profit here. We'll see how it goes. But it's crazy that I entered 2 positions without even noticing. So happy that I'm doing demo now. We're gonna get swiped. We're going to get absolutely swiped. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Shebang. What a bad day. What a bad day. Come on, kick me out and I'm out. The whole shebang. Yeah, okay. So we lost 900 today. Today is a fail in our learning curve. Complete fail. Minus 900 bucks. Complete fail. What can we learn from it? Right? That's like the most important thing. So at the beginning we made a mistake when we said that the daily bias is uptrend, right? Because that's what we felt. But if we're looking since the beginning, we are in a downtrend because we never broke up the highs that we started with. So that's the first thing. We're definitely in a downtrend since started trading. Okay. The second thing is that let's see trading view. See what we missed here. So yeah, this is definitely this is now this is previous session, 5 minutes wake of structure. Yeah, honestly. We lost 10% of the account today. That's crazy. Honestly, that's crazy. Really bad job. Okay, one trade a day. No more than that. That's first of all. Here for a value gap. Yeah, it's inverse. Yeah, it's not inverse. So yeah, summary. Organize my key level better on both apps, right? So we have a trade lock, and we have trade lock, and we have trading view. Both of them are not good enough. But we lost a lot of money. So demo wise, of course, I'm happy that I'm on demo account. So yeah, organize my key level better, learn daily bias better. I'm going to do it today. I'm going to focus it today or tomorrow. Don't go on trade on the 1 minute mark on the time frame, because that's what I did. And here we're going to see another bigger structure, yeah, today's definitely downtrend. Definitely. Great position. Um, one trade a day in risk management. I don't know what happened that I got into 2 trades. I'll be super honest with you guys. Honestly, I just don't know. Now I'm looking at it and I want to go to a short here. Fuck. Should I? No. It's just again everything I said. It's crazy. Nothing works like I think it will be, but yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm not trading anymore. It's too much, and honestly, there is no reason. Like, I just made a lot of mistakes, and I will process it and I'll understand exactly what's happened. But yeah, TJR, any good someone who wanna like help me learn better, would love to. Yeah, just let me know because I want to get better, and I feel like I made a lot of mistakes today. A lot of mistakes. I definitely can be better, but we'll get there. We'll get there. I'm not worried. I'm genuinely not worried. What's our status here? Okay. Are we breaking structure under 5 minutes? If so, I'll be less sad because my trade basically was like here, and now we're like might break a structure on the 5 minutes. Might. So like if so, I'm not that sad. I am sad, but we'll see. Okay. Have a good one, everyone. Appreciate you all. Would love to see comments and thoughts, but we'll get better. I promise you. Only day 2 of trading. Only day 3. We're down this week $300, and we lost today 10% from our account. That's crazy. Crazy behavior. We'll get better. Appreciate you all. Have a good day.